The YouTube video that is titled 13 Untapped Side Hustles, Easy Passive Income Ideas, which was produced by the YouTube channel Shane Hummus, is 14 minutes and 40 seconds in duration. Let's cut through all the fluff and just look at the key points. The video begins with Shane discussing the potential of selling no-code products. These software solutions created using visual development interfaces. Opportunities in this area include freelancing to help set up CRM software using no-code platforms. Next is curated expertise. Shane suggests becoming a curated expert in various niches such as snowboarding, grills, or coffee. It involves writing about one's expertise and sharing curated information on platforms where people can review and rate it. Third is the untapped market of ghostwriting on Twitter. This involves absorbing the philosophy of a public figure and writing tweets on their behalf to build their brand and attract customers to their products or services. Next, Shane briefly touches upon affiliate marketing on Twitter, where partnering with someone who has a product can lead to earning a percentage of the profit from sales generated through product links. Fifth is peer-to-peer lending. Here, Shane discusses the potential of peer-to-peer lending platforms like Prosper Lending Club and Funding Circle, where investors have seen returns between 3% to 7%. Then it's real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is mentioned as a way to invest in real estate with smaller amounts of money and potentially higher returns than the S&P 500. Seventh is a medical professional assistance. Shane highlights the demand for lower-level medical professional jobs, such as medical assistants, which do not require experience or a college degree. These jobs are among the fastest growing in the U.S., paying between $10 and $30 per hour. Next, he talks about the concept of purchasing rights to creative works or intellectual property and earning ongoing royalties is discussed. Examples include investing in songs like the Beatles' Yesterday or Reese Witherspoon's company that earns royalties from books made into movies. Ninth, we have taste testing. Here, he mentions companies that hire taste testers, sometimes paying up to $100,000 a year, although this is more common as a part-time job. Next is personal tailoring services. Shane then covers the opportunity in traveling tailoring services, where tailors visit clients' homes to take measurements and deliver tailored clothes. At 10, he discusses the potential of earning rental income from real estate, including renting out spare rooms. He also touches on investing in residential or commercial properties. The concept of print on demand for t-shirts and the potential future of 3D print on demand are discussed by Shane. He sees this as a great opportunity for independent artists to make money without worrying about manufacturing or logistics. Finally, he talks about the role of appointment setters who set up online appointments for salespeople selling high-ticket products. This job can be a side hustle or a full-time business with significant earning potential. Please remember that much like the original video, I will not give you the fine details. But if there were one or two topics that interested you, now is the time to research those in depth. Seek out experts in that field. Please do not look for generic how to make money fast videos that either recycle the obvious suspects or throw out unrealistic options like the ones mentioned here by Shane. Also, feel free to tell me the YouTube gurus you like, but you wish would just get to the point and stop stretching out their explanations and including personal anecdotes to garner credibility. Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.